How to rebuild trust after a lie or betrayal. When trust is broken, through lies, secrets, or betrayal, it can feel like the end. But it doesn't have to be. Trust can be rebuilt, if both people are willing to do the work. Rebuilding trust takes more than an apology. It's a journey of accountability, healing, and consistent action. Let's break down how to start again, stronger. 1. Acknowledge the pain. Don't rush forgiveness. First, acknowledge the pain. Let the hurt be seen and heard. Whether you lied or were lied to, real healing starts with honesty about the damage done. 2. Take full responsibility. If you broke the trust, don't make excuses. No, I lied because, just own it. Sincere remorse is the first step to being trusted again. I was wrong. I hurt you. I take full responsibility. 3. Give time, but show consistency. You can't rebuild trust overnight. It takes time, and proof. Be consistent. Show up. Be transparent. Do what you say you'll do, again and again. 4. Communicate openly. Talk about what happened. What broke down? What needs to change? Silence creates distance. But honest, respectful conversations build bridges. 5. Rebuild through action. Words matter, but actions matter more. Say what you feel. Do what you promise. Respect boundaries. Let your behavior speak louder than any apology. 6. Choose to reconnect. If you both want to heal, you have to choose connection every day. It's not about pretending the pain never happened, it's about growing through it, together. Trust, once broken, can be rebuilt. But it takes truth, time, and the courage to begin again. Broken doesn't mean destroyed. Love can rise again. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comment, and bell subscribe if you believe in second chances.